In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your MailerLite API key. We'll walk through the entire process inside your MailerLite dashboard. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a new API token and where to safely store it. To start, log into your MailerLite account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there with different sections. Look for the option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Integrations section, you'll see different ways MailerLite can connect with other tools and platforms. Among these options, find the one labeled API. To the right of API, there should be a button that says Use. Click that button to open the API settings. Now you're on the main page where you can manage your API tokens. Here, look for a button that says Generate New Token. This is the option you'll use to create a brand new API key. Click Generate New Token and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you'll need to set up a few details for your new token. First, you'll be asked to enter a token name. Choose something descriptive that helps you remember what this token is for, like the name of the app or integration you'll connect to MailerLite. This is especially helpful if you plan on creating multiple tokens later. Next, you'll see options for IP restrictions. You can either allow all IPs or enable an IP allow list. Allowing all IPs means the token can be used from any location, which is more flexible but slightly less restricted from a security perspective. Enabling an IP allow list lets you specify which IP addresses are allowed to use this token, adding an extra layer of security. Choose the option that matches your needs and your security requirements. Below that, you'll see a checkbox that indicates you've read and understood the API token requirements in MailerLite's terms of use. Make sure you actually review those requirements, then check the box to confirm. Once everything looks good, click the Create Token button at the bottom right of the pop-up. After you click Create, wait a moment for the pop-up to refresh. When it reloads, you'll see your new API token displayed on the screen. This is the only time MailerLite will show you this full token, so it's critical that you copy it or download it right away. Store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or a safe documentation file, because you won't be able to view it again later. And that's it. You've successfully generated and saved your MailerLite API key.